In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Xero dashboard with widgets. We'll walk through adding a new widget and arranging your layout so the right information is front and center. Start by logging in to Xero using your usual credentials. If you manage more than one organization, confirm you're in the correct one before you continue, because your dashboard is specific to each organization. From the main menu, click Reporting. This takes you to the area where Xero groups its high-level views and summaries. Next, select Dashboards. This opens the Dashboard section, where you'll manage what you see when you first sign in. Open your dashboard. If you have multiple dashboards available, choose the one you want to update. You'll see your current tiles and metrics laid out on the screen. Now, click Add Widget. You'll find this near the top of the dashboard. This opens the widget gallery. Select a widget category to narrow down your choices. Categories help you quickly find the type of insight you need. For example, items related to performance, bank activity, sales, or expenses. Pick the category that matches the information you want to spotlight. Choose a dashboard widget from the list. As you highlight a widget, Xero shows a preview so you can get a feel for how it will look and what data it displays. Take a moment to review the widget preview. Check that the labels, date range, and metrics align with what you want to monitor. If there are any basic configuration options in the preview, set them here so the widget is ready the moment it lands on your dashboard. When you're satisfied, add the widget to your dashboard. Xero will place it in the layout, usually at the top or next available space. If needed, rearrange the widget layout. Click and drag the new widget to position it where it makes the most sense. Group related widgets together so your eyes can scan from left to right in a logical flow. Keep your most important numbers above the fold for quick daily check-ins. Finally, review your updated dashboard. Make sure everything is visible, aligned, and easy to read. If something feels cluttered, adjust the placement until it's clean and clear. You can repeat this process to add more widgets, tailoring the view to different roles on your team. As you refine, remove anything you don't regularly use to keep the page fast and scannable. Xero typically saves your layout automatically, so it will look the same next time you sign in. That's it. Your dashboard now highlights the information you care about most.